jump through that.
How are you gonna get over there? All you did was stay on your phone anyway. Last day, people, last day. This is not a drill. It's time to start re-entry into the U.S. That's me being corny with my family. I could have just stayed at the airport with you guys.
We're not doing too.
I thought.
Once again, show blues facing the following customer: Jordan Gonzalez, Sol Angela Herrera, Orville Artur, Angela.
It's open now. Okay. For $4.99. She got it. She's so fast. Gracias. I don't know what's going on, but we just got in for free. I don't know what's going on. The real stuff. Thank you. I am reporting live from my first airport lounge, courtesy of Priority Pass, and all I have to say is this how Tanisha feels every time she flies? Is this how Tanisha Davis, Fun and Budget with Tanisha Davis feels every time? Is this your life, Tanisha? Let me show you what I mean. So we're here in the lounge that we got into for $4.99. All we had to show was our boarding pass and my Priority Pass wallet. Now we snacking on some tacos and quesadillas for free. So we're here for our scheduled appointment for our COVID test. But you know, it couldn't be easy. It couldn't be easy. This is the line. We're in the street. That's how far back we are. We're 10 minutes early for our first appointment. And it curves all the way into the parking lot. It goes all the way around. And it snakes again and goes around the side of the building. The time is now 10:42. So the staff has moved us into the far lane over here. And the line goes back there because we were impeding traffic. How dare we do that? And we were blocking the entrance so that customers could not come in and shop. How dare we do that while trying to get our COVID test done at our scheduled appointment time? And so now every time a car pulls up that thinks that that's the end of the line over there, we have to take it real hood and be like, excuse us, the line's back here, the line's back here. And you know, the police could help, they could, but that would make too much sense. So instead we solve our own problems and just yell. But yeah, we still aren't even on the parking lot yet. And the staff member who told us that we had to move from the public road, she disappeared. So we're over here just
Street justice.
Street justice in our set, you know, doing our own street justice. But she says that it's okay that we're late for our appointment. We're here. We're gonna get it. They're gonna get it done. So I guess that's all that matters. But good thing we didn't have anything else planned for the day, huh, babe?
Right.
Good thing we just cleared our schedule for this. And good thing we didn't have a flight today.
Right.
This is that realness. This is why you don't rush when you're traveling, especially in a pandemic. Because you just have to give yourself time. Because literally when we booked this flight to go check on Micah's parents, there was nothing in place yet as far as COVID testing. There was nothing concrete. Let's see. Are we going to have to do this on camera while you guys are here?
Yes.
They might be just waiting for this truck to go by. They don't want you trying to get in line.
Yeah.
Oh.
So the officer is now out of the car with a mask on. Might be trying to come over here. Might. And I'm sure this happens every day. This is a weekday too. This is weekday COVID traffic. So, huh? Would you?
Not in the line.
That person is. I think they're trying to figure out if they can just go in and shop. Yeah, they figured it out. They're just gonna go in. Keep you posted.
Guys, we did it!
Guess who's on the lot?
We
Hey, hey.
Hey! Oh.
The street, the public road is no longer our problem. Oh, somebody made it in behind us too. I know that's right. They were like, not today. So 10:47, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 minutes later. And look at the line growing behind us. That's the crazy part. Can y'all see that? It's just growing. Because we're early. Like, I could have gotten an earlier
My
appointment.
was supposed to just start now.
So right now we've missed Eva's 10:30 appointment and Micah's 10:45 a.m. appointment. My appointment was supposed to be at 11.
Shoelace.
We could just all, like you said, made them the same time. We knew it was going to be this time foolery.
Hey, it's better than nothing, though.
It's just sad. I feel like a third world country when we have problems and we don't have a plan. Why is there only one Walgreens in Houston? Okay, technically there's 2 Walgreens in Houston, but the test that we needed to fulfill Hawaii's requirements, the other Walgreens either did not offer or did not have an available appointment time for. So literally, oh, is that the trash that stinks? That's why we in this. That man hopped out his car, that white one over there, and he told them people move. He said, y'all just jumped in this, but see, you got to get all the way back there. Back yourself on out, sir. Back yourself on out. We've been here, okay? We've been here. The police would be so helpful right now. It would be really helpful if they would come on over. This man said, bring your car on over. He got out his car. He said, oh no.
Life drive.
And she hopped over that wheel and brought their car in the line.
You've been out here for too long for that.
Yeah, man. Chronicles. COVID Chronicles. 10:55 a.m. Okay, so it is our turn for COVID testing. Due to HIPAA, I have the camera focused only on us. And we are waiting to be serviced. They didn't tell you to put your window down. I'm pretty strict about the window being up or down yet. So the 3 of us have to get done. We've got our IDs.
You're on the website to get your results. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, the paperwork is yours to keep. When you look at the bucket, the paperwork is yours with the swab. It's gonna have the last name and the birthday on here.
Okay.
The swab is into your nostrils, 5 circles on both sides.
Okay.
And go ahead and take all of your buckets and roll up whatever this way.
Okay.
And on the tip, we have the liner, so take your time, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Adamson M, I think this is me. Adamson R, I think that's you. Eva, did you hear the directions? Put it up your nose, swab it around 5 times. Each nostril.
Okay, so come forward. You're gonna do it, but just come forward. So you're gonna take the Q-tip, you're gonna put it up your nose, and you're gonna move it around for 5 seconds, and then you're gonna take it out and do the other side, same thing.
Okay.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Please don't drop it.
Go ahead.
Do it. As far up as you can get it, comfortably get it up there.
And swab it around 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Other nose, other nostril.
Get it up there high now. We need a good test.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And keep the paperwork. And put it in there. Okay.
Good job. I'll now do mine.
And it goes back in here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me just turn it over so she can see. Oops.
Alright, folks, you guys are all set. You're gonna get the email from PWN Health with those results.
Thank you.
Thank you. I feel like our stuff always goes quicker.
They didn't ask for any money yet, and so I'm thinking Micah's right. They'll probably ask for the money once our results are loaded to the website. Right, Bull?
I'm guessing, yeah.